Okay, so we've made it through our first topic, looking at introducing multiplication and division. So let's just take a look at that, just a quick review. First of all, multiplication. If we had a problem like 3 times 2, we've learned some different ways we can solve this. We can use repeated addition. And to use repeated addition, it would be, remember this is the same as groups up. I'm going to put a little arrow up so you remember that little X just means groups of. Another thing we could do is we could draw a picture. And we could also do skip counting. So let's take a look at this. 3 groups of 2. If we were going to start with a picture, we're going to draw 3 circles, and we're going to put 2 inside each circle. And then we can count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We get 6. If we wanted to do skip counting, we would count these and say that's 2, 4, 6. Or we could repeated addition, 2 plus 2 plus 2. 2 plus 2 is 4, plus another 2 is 6. So remember with multiplication, this tells you how many groups, this tells you how much is in each group. And read it as 3 groups of 2. That'll help you with that. Now let's look at division. Division was the opposite of subtraction. And so with division, instead of repeated addition, we're going to do repeated subtraction. We learned that. Let's look at, well, let's take that same problem. 6 divided by 2 equals. So we can use repeated subtraction. And to use repeated subtraction, we would say 6 minus 2 equals 4. 4 minus 2 equals 2. 2 minus 2 equals 0. And then count how many times we took away 2 to get the answer of 3. Okay? Another one we could do is draw a picture. Now this picture is going to look different because we have our total of 6. And so I'm going to draw the 6. 5, 6. And this time I'm going to circle groups of 2. So there's 2, there's 2, and there's 2. How many groups do I have? I have 3 groups. Skip counting doesn't really work unless you want to count up to 6. And you could use your fingers and say, all right, 2, 4, 6. There were 3 2's in that. So the answer would be 3. That's a little review on addition or multiplication, which is just fancy addition, and division, fancy subtraction.